How do I reset my ADT doorbell camera?
Hello everyone. In this video we are going to walk through the steps of how to reset your ADT doorbell camera. If your device isn't working as expected, or you're having difficulties with connectivity, a reset might be the best course of action. Remember to have your camera's manual or support information handy for details specific to your model.
Why would I need to reset my ADT doorbell camera?
Sometimes, like any other tech gadget, your ADT doorbell camera may encounter issues. These can range from connectivity problems to not being able to access your camera through your ADT control panel or app. Resetting your device can be a helpful way to solve these problems and get your device back up and running. It's important to note that resetting your device will delete all current settings and restore the device to its original factory settings.
Preparing to reset your ADT doorbell camera.
Before you proceed with the reset process, ensure that your device is powered. If it's not, plug it in and let it power up fully before proceeding with the reset.
How to reset your ADT doorbell camera.
Once your device is fully powered, you can begin the reset process. Please note that this may vary slightly depending on the specific model of your doorbell camera. 1. Locate the reset button. On most models, you can find this button on the back or bottom of your doorbell camera. 2. Press and hold the reset button. Use a thin object like a paperclip to press the button. You should hold this button down for about 15 seconds. 3. Wait for the reset process. Release the reset button and your device will begin the reset process. You'll know it's working when the device's LED light starts flashing.
What to do after the reset?
Once the reset process is complete, you'll need to reconnect your doorbell camera to your ADT system. Follow the standard setup instructions for your model to do this. You should be able to find these in the device manual or on the ADT website. Resetting your ADT doorbell camera is a simple process that can solve a number of common issues. Remember to reconnect your device after the reset to continue using it. If you're still encountering problems after a reset, consider reaching out to ADT's customer support for further assistance. We hope this video has been helpful, and thank you for watching.